TSMC pulled in $122 billion last year. And here's the twist, it didn't design one single chip in that pile of revenue. Apple, Nvidia, AMD, they draw the blueprints. TSMC's entire business is manufacturing someone else's ideas at a scale no one else can touch. TSMC controls roughly 70% of the world's contract chip-making market. Its closest competitor, Samsung, isn't even close. AI and high-performance computing chips now make up 58% of TSMC's business. Smartphones, once the crown jewel, have slipped to under a third. For a decade, Apple was TSMC's single biggest customer. In 2025, Nvidia quietly passed it, proof the real money in tech moved from phones to AI. TSMC's net income hit $55 billion, up 51% in a single year, a margin machine most companies can only dream of. Its gross margin hit almost 60%, an all-time high, because when you're the only one who can make the smallest chips, you get to set the price. And it plows almost $41 billion a year straight back into new factories, making it nearly impossible for anyone to catch up. That's the flywheel. Only TSMC can build the smallest chips, so customers pay a premium, and TSMC reinvests it into staying 2 years ahead of everyone else. Almost every advanced chip on the planet, the ones inside your phone, your car, every AI data center, traces back to factories on one island. Next up, how Apple actually makes its money, and it's not the iPhone you think. Subscribe and hit like, a new business teardown drops every day.